What's going on? Again, my name is Ryan Mathis. Super excited. In this video, in this section, we are going to go over a quick risk disclosure. Now, nothing in these videos is trading advice or investment advice, and it's for education purposes only. Now, I know it's probably crazy, right? You're thinking, well, why am I taking this then if you're not giving me trading or investing advice? Well, it's really easy to get confused in the world of finances and securities when we live in this Western culture of instant gratification and social media, and you see all these people showing all their results and all their trading and how much money they're making, and yeah, that's great. But to start, we really want to understand that when you start trading, when you start investing, you usually need to sign documents with brokers and whoever you're signing up with, right? You got to understand that there are risk disclosures, and it's really important to understand the risks in trading securities and to accept those risks, right? So in this course, I'm not going to be doing any live trading. I think it's a waste of time. And the reason why is because when you're first learning or you're really trying to refine your understanding of options, you're trying to build yourself a tool set, right? A skill set that you can use forever, right? Think about like a race car driver. We're not just going to put you into a race car and send you out on a track, right? You're going to start on a tricycle, right? In like an enclosed area where you can't hurt yourself or other people. And it's the same principle with trading, okay? So it's important to understand, right, that there are no guarantees in trading, in life, in business, and that is, what the risk disclosures come down to. So down below, I have a risk disclosure, and we're going to read over it together, okay? So the information contained on this website is solely for education purposes and does not constitute investment advice. The risk of trading in securities markets can be substantial. You must review and agree to our disclaimers and terms and conditions before using our site. Individual results may vary, and testimonials are not claimed to represent typical results. All testimonials are by real people and may not reflect the typical purchaser's experience and are not intended to represent or guarantee that anyone will achieve the same or similar results. The U.S. government required disclaimer from the Commodities Futures Trading Commission. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risks. You must be aware of the risk and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options market. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on this website. The past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. And last, we have the CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations, unlike actual performance record. Simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or over compensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Now, I know that's a lot. You're probably thinking, oh, what? But anytime you trade and anytime moving forward in your trading career, you are going to have to agree to these types of terms, not from me, but from brokers, right? From trading institutions, from other advisors, whatever it may be that you're going to do, you have to understand the risks and you have to be willing to accept them. Okay, so with all that said though, once you understand the risks and once you apply yourself, which is what you're doing right now by learning about options and these instruments, you will be able to put the odds in your favor because you'll know what the risks are, right? And that's the difference between everything you see in the market, which is like instant gratification. Here, look at all the money I'm making, blah, 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 versus let's step back, understand the risks and, look at these trades in a different way, in a better way, so that we will always be in control of that risk and we will always know what we're doing and have confidence. So again, that was the risk disclosure. Let's keep going. All right. So I'll see you in the next video.